Ah, hallelujah. Yo, adofo no nyame hira mu nyina. Ena nwumre awie anadwi anopei se ne awotam tie bia. Mechiao every pastor's kitchen. Pastor's kitchen and mechiao every don re. Eduti nyame hira pa se utie pastor chicken ana wo hwe pastor chicken. Pastor's kitchen. Maybe chicken tina me repeat it almost right. Sorry. It's your pastor's kitchen and don't read. Na pastor's kitchen your menu no chicken menu with a macaroni. We're going to do the chicken with macaroni and a little bit of rice. It's no na me pese wunya abotre na ohwe senia ene ye ba be ye pastor's kitchen aduane no se na da bia ye no e wa ase no eti no let me clean my pan here so that okay eti no aya na se nkrofo e ma me ayi se o mo pese o mu hu aduane ni mu mo pese mu hu aduane mu ni ama me ye eti no I will try to bring the camera close to me so that you will see exactly what I am doing. So, anameboa. Okay. Mamemfa wonko hase kakra. Mamemfa wonko hase kakra. Me anam same control ne amane nyina ntine ya na etisa. But na mebɔ modern say mema mo hu bibia mu pefe. Why? Aha, mema mo hu bibia mu pefe. Na me ka na e ka se pastor's kitchen. E kire se sofo a wakɔ asori akɔ preach aba. Na wasan aba kitchen eba be ye aduane so ho eno no e ma metai ya maboyi so ho enchenji me ba kitchen na be ye aduane a enchenji me yiri kwa adwuma abrochere de sa na ti o okwa adwuma o mai me o metai ma me de kwa adwuma nti o mai na me nso me kondo fried chicken o se me trans man mbra ansa na ba be ye fried chicken ama me e wo bra metumi aye ma ono nso ba be dibie. Oh, mebo modern na maye. Eti no, se na me kira mo no. Ene pastor's kitchen hase no. Pastor's kitchen hase no. Ye fried chicken. Ene ye pastor's kitchen. Eti no, hwenam ye we chicken. Abruchere ha de ya na ye chicken no, ye wo pass bibre de open na wato. So, eti no, I choose to buy a chicken breast na hunu sa no dombe ba kokore nim ya hye da yi dompe ni nyina afrim tiwe aka ne breast na nko ase na tie okay and I'm saw another one wa ha so and then I have this small part of it ni nyina abomu ba ko na etoy so okay enti no wa hu say me wo chicken wa ha say and then I have my slide tomatoes. Isi ana mi twa tomato yi. Isi ana mi slide tomato yi sa. And I green pepper. Then I have the yellow pepper nso ha. So ingredients na dey be fried chicken no na me kire wo no. Enti hwe ni ye. Ingredients no. We yellow pepper. And I will see a green pepper. I forgot one more thing which I need to bring from here. Ntimuntwa mwati. Nyame hira pa. Bishop. Achamensa nyame hira pa. Pastor o kitchen. Pastor mako preach aba. Na masan ba gina kitchen. Mama me mpe bibi wo ahase na me mfemra. I put something with the nyame ado me nsa kan ntem. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. Oh, sorry. Pastor me ana me control ade ni nyina ntu ya mo mfa nchem why. Aja. Okay, mahusa aya mo pesa mo hwade num. Eti Bishop. That's my own bishop, Achamensa. God bless you. Okay, and then we have zucchini. This is called zucchini. Eti zucchini so no senior matwitwa we no nyina tomatoes and ma slide no and a green pepper and a yellow pepper eti aka zucchini no nti zucchini me horo ho okay na no so metwitwa nyane nyina we asondodo me yusu ni nyina so zucchini twa na slice kakra so aha twitwa na sa so zucchini na me twitwa no twitwa ni ye we friend zucchini aha okay I mean sure so wo hwe okay duru ba bi na nya bia ka ho amesa matwa bia ka ho eti no utwa wi a zucchini no me so me de aba ba bia ingredients yi vegetable ingredients no ewo no aha afa aka de ba kwa betwitwa aka vegetable yi ho ni ebekom na kom ni ankom no so ni eja no ni atoa so so okay then I need onion. Some I catch them say onion they tell you super especially red onion no I like it. Nti and also I also about more than we if we na wo no efiri ho so okay tahano twene okay na fi yenyi ho we say no emfi ho Uye mami be you every home na me bo manyom kakra Uye mami wo kitchen na wo bo no man no hwe Uye mami Missy Everybody uye mami Uye mami okay eti me twitwa jena no jena so bomode na twa no round sa so eti no yensan wo shi jena ni bi wansa okay because my you na free home Tonita nanaire okay so you just cut it this way so na ahanso otwa so on say na twitwa jena no and then you cut another one also twa bibia pasta's kitchen pasta ako preachia ba na asan aba kitchen e be aduane tini e friend pasta's kitchen na what is the purpose here na dia boy nua ma ne adofo no mema nyina asofo nyina na ya kire se ye botan se pese ye kire se obema nso no eben se na amuka nda no ma no eben be ma do eno so no a eben enti enso se jai aduane no ane sa na ma no enyina abọ ma no so because especially na etia brochira hande ma no so mo brepa so okay so on se ma se matwitwa na ma ni nyina wi enti o mi wo ingredients ni nyina wa ha aya fried chicken ya wa nti se wunni ma de kra ya ma menchiro ya fried chicken Chinese food omu kuya dodo omu kuya omu se fried chicken na chicken wings na chicken thighs na yedi kuya oh asembe yenso a yebetumi a fry chicken bi ofie na yedi okay let's go to the next stage ni say ye wokosia egg so ye wokosia egg etino kosia egg no ye hwede ye de ba be ye ewo aha say then now you break the egg obokosia no ma bokosia na guadiem ewo ha etino obokosia no guadiem a wanya fork na fe am make up omodia Mexico share together so Mexico share no uye mami bobande na Mexico share no why Koshiano I think is coming down back but fancy. Okay. What I'm going to do, I want to spice it a little bit. Person spice in a kakra. So person spice in a kakra. Me and me ma de we man ko talk until me yana sani amepe. So the spice is kakra gu koshia mu. Why? Me and me ma de nti wasa me yan me manage hu se na be de be me de. That's what because me and me here the Chinese ni na ya mame. We oregano leaf. aha, I say Italian leaf ni sa nema. Okay. Na me fa kakra mu we mu. Me wo all pepper season. I think say all pepper season. Me de kakra be gum. We say then we lemon pepper. Okay, me fa lemon pepper kakra. Lemon pepper kakra enum. I just want to season it a little bit and see how it will taste. Pastor's kitchen. Okay. Na me fa all pepper season kakra so nka ho na me hwe. I just want to get a little bit taste of this fried chicken. Okay. Did you go koshiano mo? Koshiano nam digu here. Okay. Alright. Now let's continue. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix it again so that all the spices will go inside. So aha. Okay. So all her process na me dey no. But more than I be ofi, what with me I be. We nya dey okay. So on sana say SCI. Aha, Lorita, nyame shira wate. Fried chicken. Nti maboko shia agu bowl yi mo. Na me this spices agum. So the next thing is I pick my chicken, drop it in here. So I drop it in. Maybe I took my spice no more. Okay. The next thing what I'm going to do is I have olive oil. Who bet me for oil be out why? Who bet me for oil be out. Okay. As long as I eat cooking oil, no there, fine. But this is the oil normally I use. I use this one. We need it. Alright. Okay. Let you know. Me want me flying. You know. Okay. Okay. Nyo menyi na ya basau. Na mi ni ani dasu obia. Okay, me for too much bia. Okay. At least this is good. Okay. Aha, ti we are. Na so ho baby am de koye no. Me de akọ stove no so. Ti me de akọ si stove no so. So stove no ni oil no ewom. Then you turn on your stove. Turn on your stove. And let's see. Come on. Yeah. The stove no. Are you ready? Okay. We are waiting for it to get a little bit heated. Heaty kakra. Heaty kakra na fe yento aso. Eti no. We nyina no me de benu koshia ne eyi na ma mix wa hanom. Why I'm waiting no. Let's see the next stage. The next stage is actually no, there is something I was supposed to do before. So let me bring this back. I was supposed to do this. Okay. So chicken no. That's what I was supposed to do first. But more than fun knife no kitwa. Chicken no. Aha, kitwa chicken no. Ucha mani nsi o. Asa ne woman tokura de demu kakra no so aha. Ucha man tokuro ni demu kakra. And why I'm doing this, and I was supposed to do that before I put on the fire. Okay. I'm showing you. Okay. I think some muhuni ameya no mebwana. I mean sure. I chicken no na me twitwa no sa no. On say na masi atwitwa no no. Aha. And I will so sa me we are mesama de ato yinum. And then I have the third one. So that the third one too, I got to do the same thing. Do the same thing with the third one. Aha, fried chicken menu. And I'm here no. Fried chicken menu. I feel that they are now sorry, now Chinese for so. Now Chinese for so. Ye be of ye. At least once a while, na wakwa bontia kudidia, there is nothing wrong. Me say enra me ko party bipa nyagro. Ko jimeni. Aha, ko didi fine. But another yo fie. Okay, so aha. Okay. It's the MD can't throw no mono, Messami de Atumbio. Okay. Messami de Atu Cushiano Bio. Okay. Now if you may hear about the chopping board no so, we also made the two Cushiano Bio. The Winsu to Cushianums are okay. I soak it for Cushiano. It's so quite there, and so on was a night here. Now, side of it too, and so we're going to see why we are doing that. Okay, me oil no, I heat it up. Okay, this is the last one. You do the same thing. Okay, now let's see here. Why you say we no? I feel we are vegetable ingredients now. All day. You know, na afe abomodia na ode ashishem. So okay, for instance, we be saying we say yedi rewrem. So yedi rewrem. Okay, na yemfa we so ensha. Now the way so asha. Okay. Oh, this area. And the man is trying to be Shishimutino. I see a mass space, maybe a bit to me come. Be here to me, baby. So it's very important. Okay. I believe you are watching me. Okay, tomatoes, zucchini. Then I see a dish. Yellow pepper. Okay, we have yellow pepper, zucchini, and then we also have green pepper. Yeah, the green pepper in our soup be bashishim. So, okay, it's say na we no ono oba bedru ye. Say na e bedru ye. Okay, I just want you to see it. Ma shisha no. Wade no mo sa so chicken no. Ma shisha no fe. Amen page ni ba ko enhye ekire ha. Na tomatoes no mo ho. Okay. Because okay, we are seeing. Okay, Tino. We now say we are shredded cheese. Now all the shredded cheese you be eguso. For shredded cheese you be guso. Na fe, any fe. Mpese mi wi ansa na me deni nyina me ye ni nyina apreko. So it I will continue to do the rest of them so so yeah, continue to repeat the same thing. Why the way ni nyina fa ni nyina ye ni sa pepe. Okay, all right, I have another onion here to fix it. Oh, you say you can't see it. Oh, sorry. Hold on. You can't see it. I mean, okay. You can't see it. I mean, chimping home. I mean, his obi one. What about this? Yeah, but can you see it? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm just trying to fix these things inside. Yeah. Nyamia heavy. Akase be pie weni. Yeah. I hope that by this time no hundo boa. Okay. What the fatu to so sa. Fatu to so. Green pepper. Yellow pepper. Tomatoes. I've had home. Okay. And also my hair also heavy. Okay, so the next thing is we're going to do this one too, the same thing. That's my own menu, so let me do it the way I want to do it. Okay. Okay. It's going to mess up here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Actually, I messed up. Okay, so that is how. Oh my God. That's how we do it. There is another way we do it. We can put it in the oven. We can put it in the oven and then cook it. But this time, let's put it here and see how it's going to be. Yemfa ensha had more na yemhwe senia. Ene ebeye e wa ha sei. So okay. Macaroni is na wa hai. O macaroni is ni o. Na eno so. Ebe no macaroni kakra kan ho. A crabby. Macaroni. Not really. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Yeah. How about my sister? Okay. Don't worry. Okay. I just want to start it from the scratch. That is why we were seeing it this way. Sell a mature no, to me, baking pan, mona, what bake. That is the best way to do it. That's the best way to do it. But I'm choosing to do the fried chicken with this one and see how it will work. And I think it looked nice. Okay, it looked very nice. Yeah. Okay. Aye. Meda wasio abrenyina ama wonsaswa mama yenshira meda wasio abrenyina. Okay. Okay. Hi. Anama Santiwa, God bless you. Okay, may chicken, fried chicken be kakra. Na my changing the method na there no so aha. This type no na make another time no we'll go in the oven to do it. But I'm trying to put it here with put it in the oil, fry it and see how it's going to be because that's my own menu. That's my own menu. When you'll be at the menu. It's I hope say baby very fair. Opo baby. So Mama Gaga, I don't know where. I hope so. What may I want? Yamishra. Okay, God bless you too. Aha, I am Mema kitchen. You got to be creative. That's all. If you know a creation, you just create it. So, Obia and perfect will be a creative idea. No bar, no creative, no has a bear saying, no one may has him. Because sorry by my best kitchen. Me creative, the men no my Hesenia, a bear, and it's going to be good. Me want me rice or rice to come one menua, and I think na use for any the spaghetti and I say macaroni. Macaroni I can see. What the yes I do here? I find strong. What the yes I do here? Yeah. Okay. I mess it up. Okay. Oh, you down. Oh, you down. Oh, you down. Oh, you down. Ayo, miss someone, no, where you Joe. Hey, so for my course, Rabban, comedy, me, I mean, day. Me, kitchen, I mean, and I mean, day. Obi Busan Prophet, none of you or him made or then may hear me be with him, be why, Pajo. Whatever I'm doing here at the kitchen, my wife knows it. What time it is there, you know? Aha, what time it is there? In Kita de Neneba. And now, Grokra. Okay. Yeah, what time it is in the okay, let's see. Okay. You know what you're going to do? It's going to be very nice. It's going to be very nice. Madame, no. Madame, no. Sometimes the best thing you can do, try to. Okay, my cover sukakura. They say hit no born na air fine. Hey, brothers, at the sign. I mean, sure. Your pastor's kitchen, pastor, bibi kakra, you may na Hesenia, aha. As I may know, as I may check. Yeah, very nice, very, very good. I mean, sure, be our pastor's kitchen, Hannah, all here. Aha, say, we are so for now, quite sorry, but who could preach it now, but now begin a kitchen, so no, a mouth collar, oh, my book collar fine, my book collar fine. My shirt fine. Na some dia be gina kitchen. Eti eno no enyi me collar no mfi ho. Enyi mfi ho. Aha, ense hwe wo me ho. Anointing no so de e wo ho. E ba se ye preach ye bompa because bibia wo nemre. Someone say nyame asam say bibia wo nemre. Eti aduane no a wo nemre. Aha. Aduane no anso so Bible mba bie no a aka say ma nko ana eno aduane. Ana me boa. There is nowhere in the Bible I actually say a man can aduane. In Proverbs chapter 31. Okay, or say oba pahan benya. But no chira say oba nko na tem bia so share kitchen. Brothers ana me boa. Chira and say oba de so keka ho na we varieties. Anopa awia anwumre so to me creative menu. So create different menu for your husband, for your home, for your children. Na ankoya duan kro na da bia mudi ofie. So na me kire no. Aha. Actually no. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Actually, no. There is another way you can do it with this breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. We free kosianu mu wia. The next thing is the breadcrumbs now. The breadcrumbs now afa home. But I decided not to do that today. I just want to do it this way. So we to make the breadcrumbs now afa home. We free kosianu mu ewia. Now the breadcrumbs no afa home. Say ne be ya normally no entitale when mu na be fe. But I just decided to do it raw without the breadcrumbs today. Okay. Aha. It is oh yeah. Ubetumi edi enu. We say mu breadcrumbs now. Emu after from the egg na oil. Yo yeguso pastor's kitchen. And I want to see. Uye mami. Uye mami ah. Uye mami. Alright, okay, let me see what is going on here too with my macaroni. Okay, let's see so okay. Macaroni this is just nowhere pena and also akekasi so yeah, check it. I say I move at the end of but me bompa say menya camera me disiswa na me ya obi hu aduanu direct ni nyina be why eti mo mfa nche me say hu mu yi a enye me photo because pastor ononko an wo ya de ni nyina wo hazen okay eya no ma check ma de no so okay, the way I'm doing it, Hi. Yes, okay. Okay, at the end of the day, that's how it's going to be. Yeah, the show to be very nice in a different way. But if it's that, no, yeah, we can still do it. Okay. This is Pastor's kitchen, sister. It's not easy, right? It's not easy. Pastor himself in action is not easy. It's, say pastor. But because me say say me macaroni no na I ready no. Me macaroni na I ready. I can eat it. Macaroni na ben. Macaroni na ben. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we want to put this one in here. So we're going to add this and see. Okay. It may be used by the grace of God. We hot salsa. A mix of different things, which I'm going to add it to this stage. So okay. Pastor's kitchen. Okay. I think so. Baby, you want one? Do you see it? Okay. Okay. I'm doing something good here. I'm doing something good. You can't believe it. Come and taste it and see how it looks. Very, very good. Very, very good. Almost done. Okay. We'll powder the baker home, depend on how you want it. Okay. Nidane no ye kakra. Well, imagine, so taste how is it going to be? Okay. Alright, let's see if we can test it and see how. Oh, yeah. I just want to see if it's okay to eat. You still see it? I'm telling you. You need to taste this yourself. Misu, you need to taste it yourself. So, I have different way of doing this, but 3-4 methods of doing it. This is one method, and this look very great. This look very great. I'm telling you, it look very great. So, I think it's ready. It's ready. Okay. So if it's ready, dear, then you need your bowl. Mama, me pe bowl kesiye. Pe bowl kesiye baako. Pe bowl kesiye baako. Oba no ba, ono so ba be ne de. Ono so ba be tene de no adi. Okay? So, okay. And then, the macaroni ni kakra mu ho. This year na been no. How many minutes in a day? So, okay. Macaroni ni kakra gu ho. Unya duane we na udi a. Unyi nje na ba ya de. Wenyi a che. Okay, me want rice and so I had to know. Let me bring the rice also closer. I have rice here. Okay. So rice and also so. Okay. And also I've been fine. So okay. And I'm not crampo is very good. So and see, and when it look very good. Folk da home. No answer be here. Nah, I try saying it. I've been fine. Look at that. Look at that. You see? Okay. When I'm a person who be now dio. Person who be now di. Apple macaroni. Then I would do macaroni in account. How many minutes am I cook here? Aben. Fried chicken. In a simple way. When you say fried chicken, send a Chinese for 1 year no. I know. Another time you buy no. So, another time you buy no. So, try me. At the end of the day, no, I still have some for my wife. I still have some for my wife, so not so bad. Obaba bidibi. No problem. I'm just showing you how it works here. Senia, fried chicken is simple. No. And now I'm to say no. Okay. Ingredients, Ibina akao hasi. Ingredients, Ibina akao hai. We your friend zucchini no zucchini only. We your friend zucchini no. Very good. Then you have your onion. Onions up white onion. Me, I like red onion, sweet onion. I like it. And then green pepper. And then yellow pepper. Tomatoes. Yeah. Then we take egg. You break it egg. Now yeah, the spices kakra gum. Spices nibini. I mix the egg no. Now for the chicken atum. I mix it. Now for the oil egu pan now for the gum butter. Before you do that, sometimes if you're not going to add the ingredients here, you add this one. What do we mix it? After our dear no kushia no we now the way afa home. Normally they use this one to change a little bit flavor or send a beya enkeka adie no. But my frying pan is very good. The pan na me chimo adie no. Very good until whether I use this or I don't use it, pan is very good. Go top my heart away be why. Steelers. The enkeka no. Very good. Okay, so let's continue here. You see how it is here? You have your knife, then biadiane ne sabe. Didima honto, diadiane pa. So, diadiane pa. Bijina hoy. Obroni bi enna obroni bi ni agye chinya agye. Ada no obroni ni me agye chinya. Obisa me age. Na me ka me age. Anu so the same age. What's me boy? I do my chinya until the next day I think 4 days time some bisa me bio. Na me ka kire no. What's no ka se bia me ye no joke. Na me yi me ID kire no. Me yi me ID kire na ohun me age ni me bibia was so. Oh sir. Then you look younger. Oh yeah, I look younger because I chop better. A pastor chop better. So, be a pastor chop better. Now bompire, what me aboniye. Now your Bible studies here, what me and dream pay mudahona their Bible studies. So, now I'm a tutu anansi man prayer. And now so for the Brahma, you don't want to know the animal in the year. You always not pop one not to top up. Pastor, I have a modern cook kitchen. Why? Mini a pastor. Yeah, one casa modern say, we are busy. I mean, some man and only busy. So, also be my S2 BBL you inside. My S2 BBL inside. Nothing I measure that I'll call S2 chin beer. Also, my BBL. My BBL marry. Do not answer me, my ready na me didi. So, it has very good taste. Very good taste, Ankasa. Okay. And then I'm eating for the whole day, new. How about ma? Ayabra. I mean, no, here. Ayabra. Ayabra, no, be do the art. Okay. Shut the year and most to cry now. So, would you do anyway? Would you dear? One thing it doesn't you. Simple and very delicious. Simple but very delicious. To was no Monica craving. Now your macaroni no announce kakra. A go home. Macaroni no pancatron, we have it made using Kitron. So, Which may you soon get to me. you know, the point in say so called restaurant na koto a me say nyo me did the restaurant but the point in say the way I will be na fan ko fo be so on be so mu ho bia no say na me si twa nam no am so mu say and then better be bibia to the end from scratch to the end okay alright okay yeah the corner say na mo God bless you. God bless you. Oh, chicken, I need Jinabia. And Maya, me, Diana, mammy, me, dear you. Because so for no more worrying. And wait, what else I want my men now? Yeah, chicken way, chicken breast, your course, and cost too much beer. And cost too much beer. I'm saying, say $2 or whatever. So, $2.99. Oyo kota we mu oju se o kota be se $15 nso kura mbo no a omo di niam na obi egugugugu basa udi a yare nko a na doso amen gage you are invited o Oba Pabna, Mete won't got you, yeah, for me. Aha, okay. You see, the man in your ass me did you. Man in your ass me did because me preacher and your okay. Ya kira nyama nyina so ya kira se ne be ya obetimi anya adwuma obetimi aye creative no watimi aye adwuma no anya sika ana ya kira se ne be ya obe lead abrabo pa so Kristo ni so obe lead abrabo pa ana se sa kira se ne be ya obedidi aduane pa obedi aduane pa ya kira so se ne be ya obekọ aware pa obekọ aware pa nyina hu hia see ye nyina together so so chips is what is that chips is pasta hey ma wo ho ento ano twi no de twi we de mentiase ya some start here now so it dey how many minutes yeah won't mean any way be yeah it cook very attractive Wait, this is from Pastor's Kitchen. Pastor's Kitchen. Share video from the beginning. Share video from the beginning. Share the page. Share ma ba aba no. Omo nso hu se ne omo ankasa betumi aye dia simple e wo fie. So, se ne ba omo betumi aye dia simple e wo fie. It's not difficult to do it. I feel I may be for a beer and I'm dear aduane yo. Me yam for him bibia o panu.